COVID-19 vaccines have taken center stage in this entire world as it is the only emergency hope we have right now to get rid of this almost never-ending pandemic. But the vaccines are still complex to understand, and researchers, experts, governments, and people alike are discovering how these vaccines react in a person's body outside of clinical trials. Now, in the latest, the United States, there were 5 adverse allergic reactions to the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine shot, which was given the emergency use authorization. Now, the US is currently investigating these 5 cases. On the other hand, they've also come up with some guidelines on who should avoid COVID-19 vaccine shots. I'm Amrita, you are watching TV9 News, and I will be bringing you all the updates on the COVID-19 vaccine allergic reactions and what these guidelines are. Now, India is also currently on the verge of approving a COVID-19 vaccine, and the US guidelines are relevant across the world, and India can learn some things from these guidelines. As we've spoken to earlier experts and doctors, and they've all said that there is some amount of risk associated with vaccines, and allergies are also a common occurrence. Even though these adverse reactions are rare, it still happens, and it is very important to monitor them. So let us begin with what these US guidelines state. Now, these guidelines are especially for people with histories of allergic reactions and requirement of medication. Now, the first important thing these guidelines state is people who've had severe reaction to a COVID-19 vaccine shot, the first dose, should avoid the second dose. Now, as we all know that current standard COVID-19 vaccines are coming in 2 doses. If the first shot does not sit well with you, then it is preferably good not to go for the second shot. Now, here the guidelines also describe severe. Severe means a person who requires medication and treatment at a hospital. Those sort of severe allergic reactions. Now, second important thing is a person with allergic reactions to any other COVID-19 vaccine ingredient which is being used. Now, for this, obviously, the person who is going to get vaccinated needs to consult the person who will be vaccinating you with regards to what are these ingredients and whether any of these ingredients you've had past allergic reactions to. Now, the third important thing is people with histories of severe allergic reactions to other vaccines should also consult their physicians and then go ahead with the COVID vaccination. Also, surprisingly, the only difference we see in the US guidelines is their statement that people with severe allergies to food, pets, latex, or environmental conditions, or even oral medication, or people with a family history of allergic reactions can still get vaccinated, but still it is advised to consult their own doctors and physicians before being vaccinated with a COVID-19 vaccine shot. If you are to begin with the United Kingdom's example, where 2 healthcare workers suffered adverse reactions to the Pfizer vaccine shot, they were treated and recovered later. It was found out later on that these 2 healthcare workers had a history of anaphylaxis and severe allergic reactions as well. After this incident, the UK authorities came out with an advisory stating that people with allergic reactions to medicine and food should avoid a vaccination shot. Now, other than the Pfizer vaccine shot, there's also Moderna vaccine, which is in the talks to be approved in the United States. And for this, the US FDA has already said that people with known history of severe allergic reaction to any of the components of this vaccine should avoid it. Coming back to India, the government here is already setting up designated hospitals for monitoring adverse reactions as well and treating those people. Yet the vaccination drive has not begun, but this is the preparation which is already underway. Also, those who will be vaccinated here in India will be kept under 30 minutes of observations to ensure that they are not suffering from any sort of side effects. Now, that was the latest on the COVID-19 vaccine. This is what you need to know before you get a vaccine shot. So do consult your general physicians in case you have one or the other complexities of allergies or any such history? Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Also like, share and subscribe to TV9 Digital.